Mawphanlur! Seems like we have reached Mawphanlur Hills and we have to enter. The road is very steep and up and down and very narrow. And with me today we have FARLANDO DIENGDOH, another YouTuber, budding one. He's holding an iPhone with a gimbal. Now we are at the parking lot, getting down, and we'll do a little bit of trek. We would have taken the car up, but I think we both need a little bit of walking. We have reached Mawphanlur now, me and FARLANDO. They say these are natural lake and we can do a little bit of boating also. Looks like there are some people who have come here with bikes also. Should you go from here or there?
Let's go from here.
Shall? Yeah.
Yeah.
Hey, these bamboo trees looks like same, man. Like those I uploaded. Beware, ma.
Scares you, no?
I know, but I don't think nothing will happen here. And I think I'm taller than the depth of this. Yeah, man. My friend is using Zhiyun Smooth 3, huh?
Smooth 4.
The Zhiyun Smooth 4 with Apple iPhone 7 and some sort of, what is this?
It's got an anamorphic lens.
Anamorphic lens for Apple. You can see the video has become a little wide, just like GoPro. Cool. And I'm using GoPro 7 Black. Some kids are there clicking photo. Woohoo! And the sign of India. Hey, time ramp will be here.
You're too early here.
This is a nice place to come for picnic. Very soothing, nice place. There people are doing some boating, camping also is there. There's a tower. I think you'll get BSNL signal here. Yeah, this is cool, man. This is cool.
Nice view, no?
Yeah, lovely. Wow. I think last time when I came here, there was nothing. Only these huts were there. And we heard that they were charging 1500 rupees per night to stay here, and no car can come. They came from the other side also, and only four-wheel drive they said they can come. The smaller cars and bike can't come. We got stuck. We had to leave 3 bikes in the jungle and walk. And once you reach here in this place, then we got to eat some Maggie. And the best part, one foreigner was there. He was frying some good chicken, okay? Because he's trying to sell it. But bloody hell, he kept only for himself, yeah. And we are just like, no, like that. No? And he's like, we are sitting at the table to have Maggie, and this fellow is just making his. So I wish we could pay him and get. But that fellow was so, I don't know, he never spoke to us. Neither we.
Maybe he doesn't have enough friends.
Yeah, I know. Maybe he's preparing for someone.
I don't know.
Hey, you're right, man. There is a bus here. I think that's the same guy.
Maybe the same person. Yeah.
Maybe the same guy you were talking about earlier. Because the way is so small here, driving a car itself is difficult. And getting a bus like that, well, you gotta be very expert in these roads. This really reminds us of those Hobbit hills. Behind the hill there will be a small holes where hobbits are staying. Just like Lord of Rings kind of movie. This is really beautiful. Can't imagine this is Shillong, this is Meghalaya, or a part of India. This looks like Scotland, yes. Ah, that is a good point, man. I've played some computer games, no, where this Scotland, Ireland kind of islands are there. They are like this, man, beautiful. Like sheep grazing. You gotta see it to believe it. Well, this is a place to come for retreat, technically. If you just want to come here and relax, be careful of cow dung nearby. A lot of cows. It's really beautiful place. Mawphanlur. Only the approaching road from the highway to this place is little small. And somebody is talking to me. We gotta be a little careful about it. Bring a small car or bring maybe an experienced driver. And look at this place. Woohoo! We are at the top of the Mawphanlur Hills, and from here we can see all around 360 degree. And I'm with one budding vlogger, DIEngDOH, FARLANDO DIENGDOH. He's making good progress, making good videos with iPhone, and he has a DSLR. I'm using a GoPro 7 Black. Right now I'm using 60 frames per second so that the video is not shaky. Oh man, this is even awesome! Woo! Whoa! Just look at it, man. Just look at it. This place. The view is so crystal clear. I think we have come at the right time. I like the formation of these rocks, you know. Mr. DIEngDOH, my friend FARLANDO, is also vlogging with a gimbal. He appears to have better knowledge than me when it comes to photography. Me, I just have excitement and a lot of strength to go this kind of place. I'm just excited to come here and log it. That far straight down there straight. We can see the Shillong rock, top of the Shillong rock. I've been there. We are at Makasa, yeah, from Mairang side. From the other side, Dongkla side, we had to go. From here we can see. Let me raise it a little bit higher. Shillong! Shillong rock! Really clear, man. And that formation of clouds also very beautiful. That end. It's really beautiful, this place. Really. It's your hair.
My hair. What happened
Your
to my
hair
hair?
very nice, man.
What happened to my hair?
Okay, we are trying to go down there and see if you can check it or not. And I hit this wind here now, destroying my mic. Yeah! I jumped. Oh, you see a better route? Okay. That in no way looks like a better route to me. But these rocks here are very grippy, huh? They're solid grip. Huh? So let's see wherever we are going. So long as my battery lasts. One battery is over, the second battery is going. Oh, yeah. Whew. Mawphanlur. Yeah, you're right, buddy. Oh, these flowers are very beautiful here. I love it. I like it. And what a right time to come here. And we are checking and we are not getting tired also. Iron Smooth 4 works really well with iPhone. Coming this time around 3 to 4. This place is awesome. I didn't realize there's one more lake here. It's so calm, there's no one here. These are natural lakes, they call it. I've already made a vlog here a long time ago with my friend Gilbert, who recently passed away on 2nd of September. He was my best buddy with whom I came here during a really rainy season. It was such an adventure that time we had. The time we all kept walking, the road was not blacktop, it was all like muddy. Looks like anytime it's gonna fall off the hill. Completely raining. We had to leave our bikes halfway and walk, and we never thought we were gonna reach here. But still we finally reached this place. But today we came with the car with another vlogger buddy, that is Farlando. He's following behind, I believe, or he's busy. Can you see him? I don't know whether you can see him or not, but car is much more relaxing, but bike has more fun. I only found out how great is loitering like this, going for hiking, trekking on your own to this kind of beautiful place. Maybe a year or so back, not more than 2 years. So for the last 2 years I've been crazy like this, walking on my own. Earlier with a cell phone camera, now I'm having a GoPro, but looks like my GoPro screen is a little destroyed. He's surprised. And this lake, there is no one. This lake, there is no one. All the public is on the other side. So we saw some couple also, one young couple dating. They came walking, I believe. I really salute their love. Crazy people like us can discover this kind of place. Hey guys, welcome back. I'm here at the Mawphanlur, and we just discovered this lake here, and it's really mesmerizing, let me tell you. And if you ever happen to visit Mawphanlur, do a little bit of trekking and find this. It's from the, you have to go a little bit on top of the hill from there, right hand side. Keep walking till you see this lake. On the way, this is really beautiful. What flowers are there always. There's pink flowers, yellow flowers. It's really beautiful, mind-blowing place. I'm so happy. Last time I came here I couldn't find this place, but this time it's here. You can see it. I'm using a GoPro and a small tripod, and I bought Chinese ones. And my friend has gone. He's a really good photographer. He left his Zayun here. This he has. It's a gimbal. It's a gimbal. I don't know how to use it, but he used it very well. Okay. He used it something like this. I do not know how to use it. So he's been using this as well as a DSLR, but I've come only with a GoPro and a cell phone. Not much of use for me, but okay, let me keep this Apple phone before this fellow gets mad. This place is really natural. This place is really natural. There's no disturbance. There's no one here. There's no one here. Really, I'm telling you, I'm not joking. You can see it now. There's no one here. This lake is complete. So I'm so sorry. There are some goats out there. You can see that side. If I turn a little bit, do you see the goats? Yeah. Okay. So do visit this place. Trekking here is so much fun. It's a cold red this time. Today is what date? Today is 7th, Saturday of September. I really like this tree because of wind. All its branches are gone. My fellow vlogger has disappeared here. I don't want to end up like some English scary movie where the friend disappeared and getting eaten by an anaconda or maybe ghost or something. Oh, there's a way. That's even there. Oh, steps are there, tiny little steps. That's cool. So we are entering the jungle, but I'm a little scared because this place looks like not so grippy here. You might slip, but thank God there are these roots here, tree root. This is giving me some sort of grip. You can't have a proper shoe for all kind of terrain. We both are searching for landmines. It really appears like that. Two crazy vloggers. Looks like we are looking for landmine.
Mushroom.
I won't stamp on it. Let's go, otherwise mosquitoes will start making dinner out of us. There's a road we are exploring, Mawphanlur.
It's a nice one here.
Yeah, we've never been here, no? Chal, let's go. So nice, we just explored away in the Mawphanlur. I don't think many people come here. We'll try. Me and another crazy guy here with me, FARLANDO. I think it's not people, my friend. I think this is a cow. I think cows are exploring here. Yeah, finally found it. Yeah. Yeah, this. Oh yeah, it pinches. I tried also when you said pinching. Just walk like a walk. Oh man, that's scary. If there's a python. We just crossed it. We are walking from here. Oof, this shrubs and plants are pinching. Whoa. Oh man, again up. Now we both will again. Nice to have a companion who's like me only, man. Same pace, man.
Walk fast.
Difficult to walk with this kind of people. I think I need a break.